The amazing benefits of turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and its healing properties have captured the attention of modern science as well. So, let's dive right in and uncover the miraculous benefits of this golden elixir. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Introducing turmeric milk. Before we get into the benefits, let's quickly understand what turmeric milk is. Turmeric milk is a warm, soothing drink made by blending milk with turmeric, a bright yellow spice that comes from the turmeric plant. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which gives turmeric its vibrant color and potent healing properties. Powerful anti-inflammatory. One of the key benefits of turmeric milk is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that helps reduce inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of turmeric milk can aid in managing chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and can help athletes recover from strenuous workouts. Boosts immunity. Are you looking to supercharge your immune system? Look no further than turmeric milk. This golden elixir contains antioxidants that strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. A cup of turmeric milk before bedtime can keep those pesky colds at bay. Aids digestion. If you struggle with digestive issues, turmeric milk might be the solution you've been searching for. Turmeric helps stimulate the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats and enhances digestion. It also has a soothing effect on the stomach, making it beneficial for those with indigestion or bloating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.